laundry room. It's over 8 by 8. I think it was about 9 by 9. Very big. Again, we've got loads of cabinet space. Look at all these cabinets. Again, solid wood. It's not just the cheap laminate with stickers on it. I'm going to put my mask away because I'm the only one here. I don't need to social distance with anyone. So we'll just shove the mask in the bucket. Good. We've got nice brushed chrome sinks. We've got loads of cabinet space. We've got space underneath here for laundry equipment. We've got full-size washer and dryer that fit here, and we've still even got space to move. In a bit, we'll show you the big, oversized, massive 3-car garage out here. So here's our big laundry room. I'm about 6'5", so that kind of gives you an idea of the space we've got here. We're going to move on to the master bedroom. While we're here, I'm going to show you. Got this nice big pantry. In here. Big walk-in pantry. That pantry might be bigger than my first apartment. Maybe not that big, but my first apartment wasn't very big at all. So, alright. And we'll come in here to the master. Clip this out in a minute. Bruce, clip this part out of the video. Or if it's funny, then just leave it in. Okay. So from here, we have a nice view of me, and you can also see out back we've got a really big patio, big porch out here on the back, and so you can see out back, you can see all the way to the back of the property line back there. So we're going to move this over here. Full size master bedroom. Can easily fit a king size bed. Plenty of furniture in here. Nice windows up top. Direct access to your patio. We're going to head in here to the master bath. I need that pointing up so much. Okay. Then here, we're in the master bath. We have big oversized tub. Fit, what, 4 or 5 people in there if you wanted to, if that's your thing. I don't know. 2 really great split sinks. We've got a big walk-in closet in here. We'll bring you in and show you this here in just a minute. We've got a really big walk-in shower. We're going to come in here and take a look in just a moment. And cabinetry, again, our cabinets, they're wood. They're not cheap. This is a very nice house. We'll move you this way, coming through. Here's our full-size shower. Very nice ceramic detail in there. Here's our big master closet. And we will head back to the other end of the home. I'm going to leave you here in the master for a moment while I turn off the lights. Go out here. I'm going to take a look at our big garage for all of our toys. So we've got some things stored in here for now, but you can see we've got a great single and a double. Good space in between. It's deep, so you could fit full-size jacked up truck in here, full-size SUV, plenty of motorcycles. Our Toro cutter is available for the right price if you'd like to make an offer on that as well. And we'll go back inside. Nice sized garage, plenty of room for our stuff and our vehicles. Turn the light off here. Here. We're in our main room, our family room, living space. We've got plenty of room, large furniture. Again, we've got the great hardwood floors. We've got the custom stone fireplace, the tray ceiling with custom crown. Beautiful view to your acreage. Could be yours. Come and get it. Acreage back at the back. So what we're looking at is this little tree line back here is only about a third from there to the front, and then there's about that times two, the other 2/3 back on the other side of the tree line. And we currently have a local farmer friend who is reaping and sowing and reaping. Gotta get it in the right order. The grass to maintain the ag exemption for the property. And let me know if you guys have any questions on that. I'm really familiar with the different opportunities and types of ag certifications and all of that with the counties around here. So you're gonna pass through up here, and whether you want to keep that friendly neighbor doing the grass for the ag, or we have another neighbor nearby who's offered to do it, or if you want to come out and buy your own tractor and get into that and do it yourself, that's always an option too. So let's do it. Okay. Ready to move on to the next room? Here we go. Let's wrap it up. Go that way. Here. We are in our office. Double doors. We've got our octagonal, almost, there's not a corner there, room here. Again, we've got hardwoods. Got windows looking out at the front. You're looking towards the road in your driveway out here. We've got a great view, pretty much every window in this house. So that's the great thing about being out in the country. And so it's a nice big office, plenty of room. This wall over here on the northwest side of the room, right here, has been structurally designed during the architectural process so that if you wanted to, you could easily take this out and arch it, or not arch it, and have that open to the kitchen on the other side. It's already been structurally load designed for that, so there wouldn't really need any engineering or excessive load modification. We're going to head down to our hallway here. So here, I'm here. Right now we're looking at the bedroom number 1. It says bedroom, full walk-in closet in here. Plenty of room for your clothes or guests if you want them a little closer to the center of the house. We have a powder bath right here on the side. You might take a look at that in a minute. Again, got another great view out towards the back of the acreage. The AC is definitely working because it's probably 100 degrees outside right now, and I'm starting to get a little chilly. So you got a good AC. It's actually a heat pump. So that'll work for you as well. Very efficient in the cooler months, spring and fall. I really like this hallway. It's a great length. We've got all these big windows pulling in all of this natural light, looking out over our front porch. I really like this hallway. I'm not like just a hallway kind of guy, but I like this hallway. It's just something about it makes me happy. I like it. We'll come in here. So from here we have our, move this over a bit so we can see, full split bath, sink, toilet and shower, full size tub, and another sink over there. Then, you know, we've got this bedroom. You love the paint. If you don't, change the color. Easy enough. We've got double windows. Got nice views out here. Nice views of the tree line over on this side. Again, good sized rooms here. And our closet space is actually in here, off of the bathroom, to maximize the size of the bedroom. So you don't have all these extra doors. So here's our closet space here for this bedroom. We'll go around to the other side, right through here. Bathroom. With, again, our ceramic tile, our nice brushed equipment on the fixtures. Another closet, bathroom. Turn off our lights here. We'll let you guys take a peek in this room while I turn off these other lights. So we're back here again. We have another bedroom with a great view up to the back, looking over the acreage. Out here. So looking at the back 9 there. Good. You love the paint or you don't. If you love it, keep it. If you don't, paint it. Not a big deal. I kind of like it. Windows, looking at the trees, better than looking at the side of somebody else's house, right? Trees and grass and pasture and plenty of room for four-wheelers and tractors and all kinds of fun stuff. And somebody's calling me. So we'll see who this is. And they hung up. pause you, and then we'll go to the other rooms and check that out.